Well, luckily I knew what that helicopter was I've just seen. That was electricity one I just saw coming over apparently. So as you can see, that was a Eurocopter EC135 that was. This is where I just seen that one coming in apparently. I just saw a Eurocopter EC135 apparently. As I can hear it for the background though. Checking out the pilot wires near me today apparently, which I don't know why. Should be able to see him in here, but should be able to see it from the distance in here though. I can definitely still hear it, but can't see where he is at the moment, but I can definitely still hear it, but hold on, I can't see it at the moment, but it's at a low pass at the moment, but there he is. Oh, it's gone over there. So as you can see, it's just checking out the pilot wires over the other side of me today apparently, which I don't know why. It came quite low apparently today, but to be honest, at least it came here quite low today apparently. So as you can see, the registration is G-WPDE, that is, and the call sign is ELE99, that is. So just you can see from here, just you can see, just like from here, it's literally dropped down at 350 feet. Can't see it, but it looks like it's coming back. Probably because it's a bit too far away from my house anyway, but checking out over this side today apparently, actually it's doing a low past that 25 feet, but now about 50 feet apparently. So hopefully we might be able to get some pictures of it if it does come over. So it's literally, from here, it's literally came here about 100 feet from here. Very low pass I have to say, but it came here at a very low pass though. As he came here, just took off at, literally just took off at Commonwealth Nuclear at 8:27 AM this morning. Just literally came in, just took off here at 8:27 this morning at Newquay Airport. So just you can see now passing over Honeywick Wood apparently now. So now at the Chilaswell at the moment. So this is where it's came in for a low pass apparently. So yeah, this is where it's checking out the wires down near me today apparently. But you know, I never see electricity came here that low before though. I think because that's one of the helicopters that we did use previously back in lockdown 2020. But it did used to come here then, it did. But anyway, I might get more pictures of it if it does come over, but looks like it's coming back over now by the looks of it. But I can still hear it, but I can hear the rotors and they're coming now actually. I can definitely hear it, but I can't see it from here anyway. It looks like he's at a low pass to me, but I can definitely hear it though, honestly. 25,000 feet is over. Can't even see it. I could definitely hear it, but I can't even see it from here. But anyway, I'm going to get more footage of it, and then hopefully we might be able to see it fly past over me. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.